Oh, I put the wrong screw for that one.
Oh. So what part is that you're putting back on right there?
Huh?
I said what part is that you're putting back on?
Oh, this part.
Okay. And what model truck is this?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, I told you. 88 Toyota.
Oh, that. I took off all this. So.
Oh yeah, we got Jeffrey Stevens here, man, pro mechanic. All your classic Toyota truck needs. We're taking off the whole front end so we can get to the engine and see where the thing's leaking oil. And we got about as far as taking the AC off, but we got to get the coolant or the Freon discharged because that's not safe to do without the right equipment. And we got Jeffrey putting in the support beam right there so we can shut the hood and not go bouncing around. And then sometime this week I'll take this baby to the shop, get the Freon discharged, and we'll take the cooling system out and see the engine. Ain't that right? Is that thing bent?
Yeah, it got bent.
I think it's kind of bent already. You may gotta flip it around. Yeah, do like that. That's it.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
Yep. And I think it may actually go 180 degrees the other way, but it doesn't really matter. Like, I think it may actually go that end down here, but it's the same difference.
You get that?
What's that? You dropped a washer?
No, the screw.
Oh, it went way under here somewhere?
It's right there.
Oh.
I wear glasses.
Oh, that thing broke off, didn't it? Or is that the right length it is?
That's the right length. It's not broke.
Okay. It goes up here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Alright, I'll let you thread that the rest of the way in. So that's it, folks. Stay tuned. We'll show you a video later this week on the progress.